What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator, and here with a Dollar Tree haul. As you guys can see, I have quite a few things spread out, and I want to share with you guys some of my favorites of the month. Most of them are Dollar Tree items. However, I have a few that are non-Dollar Tree items, like this little light by House Smile. It's super cute, you guys. It charges with USB, with a little USB cord. It doesn't have any batteries. It doesn't need any electricity, and it can really light up a room. My kids have been in love with this, and they're like, oh, can it be mine? Can it be mine? And I just love the cute little shape. So all you do is just touch it on, and then you have a few different little options. I think it has 3 or 4 light settings. Really bright, even brighter. I think that's like the most dim one, and it's really hard to tell with my photo lights, but you guys, this light is so powerful. And then I think we have one more, so let's see. That one, really bright, really dim. That's off. So actually it has 3 settings, and then it has a little strap here on the bottom that you can pull out if you want to hang it from somewhere. My kids love this at night for reading, hanging out in their rooms. It is such a cute little light, you guys. I'm going to include the link down below in the description box. It's called a multifunctional intelligent LED movable light. And this is the box that it came in, if you guys can see. I know I have the camera zoomed in kind of close. I really like it, you guys. My kids love it. Again, this is not sponsored, but it's just a little favorite of the month. Another favorite, as you guys can see here, was my little cute clearance eraser that I got from, oh, where was it, you guys? Staples. Yeah, this was 50 cents. I got these at Dollar Tree, and I think these are so pretty. I'm not loving the fragrance that much, but you can always melt and pour your own fragrance inside. It says Anchors Away. They have one with mermaids. They have one with the boat. And they also have a little octopus. And I love all of them, but I love pink so much. And so these were the 2 that I selected. These are by the Rose Collection. And the scent is Sea and Sky. I think they're so gorgeous. Here is another favorite, and I can't say it's a favorite because I've used it yet, but it's a favorite because I love the container. I love the packaging. This actually came from my local grocery store for $1. I think it was like $1.69. The scent is lavender, and the brand is Ecos, and I will definitely be using this and reusing this bottle because I am in love with this sort of jewel-shaped bottle. I love it so much. Another new favorite I also got from my local grocery store, and this was also $1 and some change, is this Karma Wellness Water. And it's really cool, you guys. So it's just water in a container, and then you peel off a little sticker here, and then you push down this button, and all the little powder kind of infuses down with the water, and then you shake it up, and it is really good. And it gives you all of your vitamins. It's very low calories, 20 calories per bottle. And it also has antioxidants in it. It's lactose-free, vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO. I want to say I thought this was the one. There are some other ones, you guys, some other flavors that have probiotics in them. But I chose the orange mango, and it was really good. So this was totally new for me. I had never heard of Karma Wellness Water, but I really like it, and I will be trying some other flavors. And one last favorite, you guys, that's a non-Dollar Tree item, is Fresh Sparkling Snow. I love this scent. I love the hand wash. I love the body wash. I bought this last winter in a semi-annual sale, and I think I purchased 3 of these. I still have a lot of Bath & Body Works favorites, but this is January's favorite, and I love the packaging once again. Those were some of my non-Dollar Tree favorites. Let's get into my current haul and some of my current Dollar Tree favorites. As you guys can see, I have lots of stickers spread out. And the other stickers you've probably seen in past hauls. But this pack was new to me this week, and this is by We Are Memory Keepers. Again, brand name stickers that we normally wouldn't find for $1 at places like Michael's or Joann's or Hobby Lobby. I really love this. It kind of has the distressed chalkboard effect here. It says things like love, adventure, life is a grand adventure. I love the Southwestern designs here. Such a happy day. I love the color scheme. It's really unique. Here's the back. Little page flags. Again, this is by We Are Memory Keepers. That's an American Crafts brand. Little page flags. Things for your planner. Hello today. Chill out. So loving this. Epic. And then we have some alphas down below. I really love that. Some of you have been showing some really amazing stickers. There is a pack of stickers in particular by Amy Tangerine that one of my YT sisters showed, and I want it really bad. Another thing I want, you guys, that I've seen one of you haul is this particular pack of Amy Tangerine stickers, and this is a pack of Amy Tangerine stickers here, but this isn't the one that's really on my wish list. There is one that's big and beautiful, similar to this, but in traditional Amy Tangerine colors with the pinks and the teals, and it's very bright and pretty and cute. You guys, I want it so bad. You probably know the one I'm talking about. Another thing I really want that's on my wish list is the brand new clear stamps, and you guys know the one, the cactus set. It looks so pretty. I want it so bad. I really, really hope I can find it. That's definitely going on my wish list. But you guys, here are some other stickers I found in the last 2 weeks. These are by Heidi Swap. This is a small pack of stickers. Also these tin type heart stickers. I also found these from Studio Calico, and I really love these. Again, Studio Calico is under American Crafts. I love this set. I have one more here that I really like by American Crafts. Family, home, dad, all together, sister, brother, etc. Mom, our family. Really nice chalkboard style. You guys know I really like the chalkboard aesthetic. So I am really pleased with what I've been finding at Dollar Tree. I love finding name brand items at Dollar Tree. I almost forgot about these, you guys. I think these are also really cute stickers. These are, I was going to say Jot. No, these are just some Greenbrier stickers that are really, really cute. And these are usually found up by the impulse section, up by the registers. Lots of glare, I know. You guys, these are so cute and puffy. I love them. Now, I have some more things to share with you from Dollar Tree. My kids really loved these cosmic fruit smoothies, and I had a sip of one, and I thought they were delicious. They picked out Galactic Berry. I just rinsed out the container to share with you guys, but they really, really loved these. These were made in Minnesota, Hopkins, Minnesota, and it's always surprising when we find natural, organic, and, you know, non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan products at Dollar Tree. So I just wanted to pass that along. Going totally the other direction from non-GMO, gluten-free, and vegan is this Mocha Crunch cereal by General Mills. You guys, it was a huge box. I picked up 2 boxes. My kids absolutely loved this. We really toggle between healthy cereal and junk cereal here in my house. As long as it doesn't have the trisodium phosphate, you guys look for that ingredient in all your cereal boxes. You guys, that is a very dangerous ingredient for us to be digesting. So look out for that ingredient in your cereals, and don't buy any cereal that has the trisodium phosphate. Please Google it and educate yourself on that. My husband did some research on that, and I had no idea. So you guys, please check that out when you have a spare moment. But my kids really loved that cereal. And I got a couple other items that I normally get. I think this is a great deal. Finding the chicken broth is always a great deal at Dollar Tree. Gator wanted some silly string this week. He had a lot of fun with that and made a big mess with that. He was squirting it on the walls and on the door and everything, and he had a great time. Next, I got this Chef Swagger's Kitchen noodle soup mix, and this is my first time ever getting this, you guys. I'm not going to eat it like soup. However, I've been loving this channel here on YouTube called Ross Kitchen. I'll link it down below in the description box. Chef Moko often adds this to some of his Ital recipes. You guys, that is a binge-worthy channel, and I love it so much. Speaking of binge-worthy, have you guys tried these? These are so good. My family loves these. My husband says if you see them, buy like 10. So I have a lot of these. These are the strawberry preserves by MC Trader. The raspberry is also totally delicious. Let's go on the flip side of delicious for a minute. And I rarely do this on my channel, but you guys, when I come across something that is not good, I like to share it too. I don't like any of the True Lime packets. I tried all three. All three have been opened and tried, and I like Crystal Light. I like that sort of really sweet flavor that you add to your water that's low calorie. I like that. But these, you guys, these taste super, super, super artificial in a really bad way. This was the black cherry limeade, didn't like it. The watermelon aqua fresca, didn't like that. And the peach lemonade, I didn't like that either, you guys. So if you do see these, even though they're name brand, and you can find them in your local grocery stores, Targets, and Walmarts, please pass on these, you guys. They're just not worth it. I almost forgot about this little bag, you guys. Have you guys seen these in your Dollar Trees? They are the super cute and fuzzy notebooks. They have the heart variety, the butterfly variety, which is really pretty with a nice background color of yellow, and they also have the stripes. I had to get at least one. I also picked up some batteries. You guys, this is a dupe for Neosporin, and it works really great. I have a totally empty bottle of this. It has the bacitracin in it, the neomycin, and the what is that? Polymyxin. This is a great little package of ointment, you guys. If you haven't tried it, try it. You will like it. It is just as good as Neosporin, in my opinion. I'm not going to share them with you guys because they're all gone, but I've also been getting some wheat bread at Dollar Tree lately that's pretty good. Gator picked out this vehicle. I actually have it with me this time. This vehicle, and he really loves it. He loves the snow plow. He was playing with it in the snow right after we picked it out at the store. He loves his Hot Wheels. And then Birdy picked out these sports little headphones. They're compatible with smartphones and iPhones and everything else. They sound okay, you guys. Pretty much all of Dollar Tree's earbuds sound canny to me. There's nothing like the Apple licensed earbuds, if you ask me. That's the only way to go, but those also cost a lot more than $1. And last but not least, my kids picked out this bag of barbecue chips. It's by Homestyle, and it's empty. So as you guys can tell, they really loved it. Well, hey, you guys, all I have left is empty bags. So that's the end of another Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys like this one. I like incorporating some of my favorite items, maybe a few non-Dollar Tree items here and there just to get the word out. But yeah, I really love doing these hauls for you guys, so I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did making it. So if you did, you guys, show me some love by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below and let me know what's on your Dollar Tree wish list this week. And if you guys haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.